strong in the Lord and have strength in his might. Ephesians 6 verse 10. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe. So today I'm going to be just basically having a discussion about financial hacks that I have since encountered, right? I think it's things that we basically are already aware of, but all of us every now and then need a reminder, right? Need just to be like a push just to say remember. So like one thing that I want to share with you like today is if you guys can remember, during the beginning of the pandemic, most currencies, especially the rand, I know with the rand because we're in South Africa, it took a lot. It really lost a lot of value, and yeah, it lost a lot of value, and a lot of stocks also went down with it. They lost a lot of value, right? So at the time, with me being unemployed, I had 200 rand in my pocket, and I was reading something on the news, right? I was reading something on the news on the internet where they were like basically just explaining that the rand is taking a knock, and then it's just going to keep taking a knock until at least the stability, because during when the lockdown first began, there was no stability. A lot of people panicked, no kidding. People lost their jobs, companies lost revenue, artists lost their like sources of income. It was really just a bad period, right? So at the time, me being me, after reading the article, I traded in 200 rand, right, on the USD ZAR, right? Traded in 200 rand, and then fast forward 4 months later, in August, I decided to like take the money out, right? Because at the time the rand seemed to have been gaining its momentum back and losing it, gaining and losing. So I just said, you know what, let me just take this money, because obviously I now have like, I don't know how many, like 300%, I think, man, I don't know maths, but like 1,000, percent gain. So I decided to take the money. Luckily, the following month I got a job. Then I used that money to just go and buy myself, like, clothes, just so that I can look decent, during my first days at work. So yeah, guys, if ever you like, just normalize reading the news. If you're into stocks, normalize reading the news and just checking what's up. I think that will help in terms of like if you ever want to invest on something. But with me at the moment, perhaps I'll take this back sometime that is to come. But for me now, that was the first and last time me trading. I don't think I'll ever like trade again. Buying stocks, yes, on easy equities, and buying funds, yes, I can do that. It's less riskier for me, it's hassle free, so yeah, I think I can do that as opposed to trading. So number 2, associate yourself with people who are in the business of making money, because with those people you will definitely learn good financial habits. You will learn a lot, and you will also be driven. You will also have that courage to be a go-getter, and you also know basically the basic principles of making money. So I was inspired by a former colleague of mine who is having a very good job, right? He was having a very, very, very good job, but he was doing side hustles on the side, things that you wouldn't expect someone of his caliber to be doing, but he always told me that I just need to be making more money because my own salary is not enough. So for me, that attitude, for me, it was quite inspiring and quite a push for me to say someone who earns such a lot of money, if they can like do like odd jobs, handy jobs like painting and all that, surely I can do it as well, right? Like I should just place pride aside and just try and do and do some work, get my hands dirty, do something. So associate yourself with such people, with such a mindset, people who are yearning to work hard, people who are not embarrassed. You know, there are people who would be embarrassed to do like to be salesperson, to go around selling like pamphlets, you know, giving pamphlets to people. So so in life we should not be scared, because many a times we associate with ourselves with people that think that they have arrived, people that think that they know it all, and at the end of the day they know nothing. All they just have is opinion, 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 opinion. So try to associate with yourself with people who think positively all the time, people that will be able to support you, and not only support you but also people that you can follow follow their footsteps on, just so that you can get by and move away from people who have the wannabe mentality, people who are like only concerned about like looking a certain type of way, going to certain type of places, hanging out to certain type of people. That thing will not bring you money. It'll just make you more broke and broke and broke and broke. So by all means, guys, associate yourselves with people who are in the business of making money, be like it's smaller like a grain or it's big money. Associate yourself with those people.